Good morning, everyone. Today, I will explain what are the common mistake we do in trading kind of a thing. Why we should not show urgency in getting into whether long or whether it's a short kind of a thing. So here is a stock which I chosen is Bajaj Auto. So as that, let's assume we are in the end of 19th day. The 19th day is starting kind of a thing. You have not taken up the position. Looking at the 18th data, you will assume, oh, the stock has moved up, so we should also go forward. But that is not the right method of doing it. That is what I want to explain. As I explained in my previous sessions, just go forward and draw the trend line. Trend line, what is it for? I told you this is for last 3 days. If you draw, that will do. You don't need an additional data. And you have drawn a upper side trend line and you draw the bottom line trend line. For the 15 minutes, since you are trading for an intraday kind of thing. See, what is here we are doing is bottoms, bottom hills, so we are touching it, top hills we are touching. So if you notice the moment here you can see volume is reduced and sudden spike in the volume at somewhere around 11 o'clock it has come. So this is a typical, and if you notice the below the trend line, the candle has come out. So as I mentioned in my sessions also, if the candle goes above the trend line, take it as a long. If the candle goes below the trend line, take it as a short. What are the target? S1, S2, S3, S4. What are your stop losses? The trend line as well as pivot point. As you start moving the stop losses as you go forward. If you go watch any TV channels, they use this standard logic. They just use this trend lines, and if it breaks that, they'll give a long or a short call. So do not take any position. And remember, as I said, this trend line which I had drawn it for as on yesterday, that is as on 18th kind of a thing. Suppose you want to draw the trend line for today. What you need to do, draw the trend line like this. Again, you move forward and draw the trend line here. See, if this particular candle goes below this trend line today, see, you should take it as a short. If it goes above this, is long. You should not draw any of the trend adjustment of the trend line. You should not do for today. You have done it for yesterday. That will do for the complete day. It will hold good. Thank you.